This is a 2005 Dodge Magnum. It was a no start. It wouldn't even crank over. Lifted the car, lifted under the vehicle. Solenoid had power. Decided to take the ground. Quick visual inspection showed that the connection to the solenoid was corroded out and actually broken off because it's right next to the. You can see here. It's right next to the exhaust manifold, so I just jumped the connection from the solenoid to the ground. I started right up. Now I wanted to come back, fix it, route it through a different direction so it won't get burned again. And this car's good to go, and I should have started right up. There it is. It's all set. No start done.